So when it comes to choosing a low volume, low pressure paint gun, everybody asks me, what's the best low volume, low pressure paint gun? How does the Inokraft Drizzle D1 compare to the AERO Pro A610? And to be honest with you, there's only really one choice. And let me clarify this. There's no difference in those guns. Those are the exact same guns. They're manufactured by the exact same company, a company called Rongpeng, R-O-N-G-P-E-N-G. They manufacture all those guns. All the low volume, low pressure paint guns, I haven't found one that's not manufactured by Rongpeng, R-O-N-G-P-E-N-G. If you know of one that is a true low volume, low pressure paint gun, you let me know down in the comments, because I would love to find another manufacturer of a low volume, low pressure paint gun. These are the guns here. This is the Drizzle D1. This is the AERO Pro A610. This is the YT160. These three guns are the exact same guns other than the appearance. They've been rebranded and repackaged for different brands. If you look at them, the same exact gun. The caps, the needles, tips, they're all interchangeable. The only thing difference is the appearance. I prefer the appearance of the Drizzle just a little bit better. It cleans up a little bit nicer than the AERO Pro, but this one cleans up really nice as well, this YT160. They all spray the same. These are a little bit different. I'm not sure if internally they're different, but this is the original R500. I'm not sure the brand of this one, but these are both R500s. This one is sold by Eastwood. They rebranded it the LT100, and these are the exact same gun. Interchangeable caps and needles, and these caps and needles are interchangeable with these two. So I really don't think there's any difference in these two guns. Other than the styling of the gun, I think internally they're the same gun. So yeah, they're all the same gun. If you want to look up the company Rongpeng, like I said, it's R-O-N-G-P-E-N-G. You can go to their website. You can check out all their guns. They're out of China. I think you can buy them on Amazon. I know you can buy them on AliExpress. And if there's links to Amazon, I'll leave them down in the description. These guns are all relatively the same price. Like these guns are under $100, from $74 to $100. These two guns here, you can get this one for as low as like 50 bucks for the 1.3 tip and needle set, cap and needle set. And that's a great value because you can spray sealer, base, and clear with that 1.3. So if you're just starting out, this is a great gun to start with. It sprays beautifully and it costs like 50 bucks, a little over 50 bucks, which you can't beat that price. So I will leave links to all these guns down in the description. You can check them out for yourself and make a decision on what gun you're looking for. Now the difference between a low volume, low pressure paint gun and an HVLP is they're gonna consume less air from your compressor. So I'm guesstimating that these consume about 7 to 10 CFM, somewhere in there, where an HVLP is gonna be probably 10 to 14 CFM. And there's a big difference in that amount of air. And you can tell when you're spraying with an HVLP or a low volume, low pressure paint gun, you can just tell that they consume less air. The transfer efficiency is much better with these low volume, low pressure paint guns. You're gonna get a lot of paint savings, so you're not gonna use as much material because it has excellent transfer efficiency, so you're getting more paint on the panel and less in the air. And I really like the way these spray base and high metallic finishes. They lay them out beautifully, nice orientation in those metallics. So these are great guns for base coat, and they are excellent guns with clear coat. Once you've practiced with them, you get them dialed in, you can put down a beautiful finish just as good as any other type of paint gun. Whether it be an HVLP, a MP, or a conventional gun, you can spray clear like glass with a low volume, low pressure paint gun. If you have any other questions about these low volume, low pressure paint guns or anything regarding auto body and paint repair, then let me know down in the comments. I can't cover everything in one video, but let me know your questions. I'll make a video on it or I'll answer your question. I like to read all the comments. Even if I don't answer your question, I will make a video on it or answer you in the comments. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be doing this channel. All your support is what keeps this channel going. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel and let me know your thoughts on these low volume, low pressure paint guns. And if you've used a low volume, low pressure paint gun, let me know your thoughts and your experience with this gun. To check out these guns in action, click on this video now.